Jai Gurudev children, today we are going to start next chapter after tenses, that is the adverb. As you know, adverb is one of the parts of speech. Let's start. An adverb is a word that describes a verb. Okay? It tells you about an action or the way something is done. A lot of adverbs end in ly. It means the words which adds to the verb, which give additional information about the verb, that is called adverb. Okay? For example, soft. Soft is adjective, adverb it is. इसका adverb क्या बना? Softly. Strong, she speaks softly. Strong, strongly. The wind blew strongly. Bright, brightly. Beautiful, beautifully. She looks beautiful. Okay, she has done this work. She has done her duty beautifully or nicely. Eager, eagerly. I am eagerly waiting for the result. Loud, loudly. Don't speak loudly. Polite, politely. Speak politely. Speak, sing sweetly. Loud, loudly again. Time, timely. Come timely. Or submit your projects timely. We are walking slowly. How are we walking? Slowly. So means this is the additional information of about the verb, that is walking. Our army fought bravely. Okay. How did our army fight? Bravely. Never talk loudly in the hospital. Loudly is a adverb. Again, some adverbs describe the way something is done. They are called adverbs of manner. Near, nearly. True, truly. Helpless, helplessly means how the work is done. Cheap, cheaply. Clear, clearly. Safe, safely. Okay, we safely reach our home. How did we reach our home? Safely. Nice, nicely. Brave, bravely. Okay, she was looking at me helplessly. How was she looking at me? Helplessly means this is the manner of doing some action. The teacher entered quietly into the class. She answered all the questions correctly. You must talk politely to the teacher. Hence, Swati prepared nicely for the farewell party. You can have many more examples like this. Next is, some adverbs describe when something happens. They are called adverbs of time. है ना? Like Sarika often comes to meet you. Often. When does she comes to meet you? Often. So often is a adverbs of time. Remember, such words, or you can say adverbs of time, don't mostly ends with ly. I reached early in the examination hall. Aditya is late today. We will go tomorrow. So this is a manner adverbs of time. When we will go tomorrow. Next is, some adverbs tell you where something happens. Means where means the place. So they are called adverbs of place. They were freedom fighters. They were underground for many years. Where were they? They were underground. I am going abroad to meet my brother. Where I am going again is a place abroad. There is greenery everywhere. Where? Everywhere. Madhu lives next door. Where does she live? Next door. Next door is a adverb of place. Where is Ramesh? Where again is a place, is a adverb of place. The children are playing upstairs. Where are they playing? Upstairs. Shobha, can you meet me outside your class? Where can she meet you? Outside. So in this way you have learned adverbs of three types. They are adverbs of manner, adverbs of time, and adverbs of place. And you may be asked in exam to identify the types of adverbs in the given sentences. Here are more examples in the form of exercises. Clear, clearly. I can see the view clearly. Nice, nicely. Safely. Order, these are the adjectives and these are the adverbs. Order, orderly. Soft, softly. है ना, ये हमने लास्ट पेज पे, प्रीवियस पेज में हमने पढ़े हैं ये. काइंड, काइंडली. नेक्स्ट इज अंडरलाइन द एडवर्ब्स इन द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंसेस. द गर्ल्स वर टॉकिंग स्लोली. Slowly is an adverb. Which adverb? It is an adverb of manner. How is she talking? It shows the manner of talking. So manner, it is adverb of manner. We are working in Eastern Coast. Where are we working? It's a place. Eastern Coast. So it's a adverb of place. She speaks politely to everyone. How does she speak? Again, it's a manner. It's adverb of manner. She reached late. When did she reach? Late. So when denotes time. So this is adverb of time. He answered correctly. How does she answer? Correctly. Again, it's adverb of manner. Really? Is she not joining us for the picnic? है ना? Really. Again, it's a adverb of manner. Make sentences from adverbs. Adjectives from adverbs. Now silently अब adverbs यूँ हैं on one side and the other side you have to mention their adjectives. Silently, silent. He is a silent boy. Badly, bad. Proudly, proud. Properly, proper. Do your work properly. This is adverb. Okay. Be, sit properly. Again, this is an adverb. This is a proper uniform. Means you are wearing each and everything perfectly. That is adjective. Neatly, neat. This is a neat and clean house. Really, real. This is a real juice. है ना, adjective. Usually, usual. Usually is a adverb of time. I usually do this. Usual, adjective. Simply, simple. LE. Actually, actual. Actually, I wanted to do this. Okay, this is the actual price of this sari. Correctly, correct. Early, early. Okay. Likely, like. Generally, general. Quickly, quick. Next, exercise 4. Prepare a list of adjectives and their corresponding adverbs. 2 are done for you. Gentle, gently. Prompt, promptly. Similarly, you have to write many more words and write their both forms, adjectives and adverbs. Both forms you have to mention. And you will do it and get them checked. Next, exercise 5. Make sentences by using any 10 adverbs. ठीक है, you will write any 10 adverbs or you can pick from the chapters only, or you can have your own adverbs and frame sentences of 10 adverbs. Next is exercise 6. Separate adverbs and adjectives from the following mixed group. Slow, this is an adjective. Positive adjective. Cleverly adverb. Brave adjective. Close adjective. Nearly adverb. Brightly adverb. Daily adverb. Adverb of time. Smaller, this is adjective. Comparative degree of adjective. I hope you understand this. Thank you. Jai Gurudev.